Then looking out of the perspective of the survivor of a death, be sure that you know all of these things that I've just mentioned. Make sure that you know where the person, the deceased person's policies are, policy documents, testament, and all of that stuff. Because at the end of the day, if you do not know these things, it can cause a lot of frustration. It can cause a lot of problems if you do not have these documents and stuff available. So please make sure that you do have these things available, and then also ensure that you do know what the wishes of the person is, so that you don't have to do any guesswork. Like I said previously, the guesswork of a deceased, or what would his wishes be in regarding certain things, talk about it. Talk about it with your loved ones, and make sure that you actually express what you want to express, and what your needs, or what your intentions are, so that there's no ambiguities regarding that.